Let me ask you something deeply personal right now. When was the last time you looked in the mirror and noticed your eyes didn't look the same? Maybe the whites of your eyes look duller. Maybe small letters on a newspaper blur together. Or maybe you need brighter lights just to see clearly at night. For so many seniors, the eyes that once captured memories, faces, and the beauty of life slowly begin to fade. And here's the heartbreaking truth. It doesn't happen overnight, it sneaks up quietly, and before you know it, driving at night feels unsafe. Reading a book feels exhausting, and seeing your grandchildren's smiles isn't as sharp as it used to be. But what if I told you that, while you sleep tonight, your eyes could be gently repairing themselves? That there are for special, secret vegetables, yes, simple cooked veggies that act like natural healers for your vision. When eaten in the right way, at the right time, these vegetables deliver nutrients that protect your lenses, reduce cataract risk, fight macular degeneration, and sharpen vision, all while your body rests. This isn't science fiction, it's real. And I'll show you exactly which vegetables they are, why they work, and how seniors just like you have already seen incredible improvements by adding them to their evening meals. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know these for secret cooked vegetables, but you'll also learn the best way to prepare them so they work with your body's nighttime repair system. And I promise you, this may be one of the most important health tips you ever hear about your eyes. Now, before we dive into the first vegetable, let me share a quick story. A man named Robert, age 72, from Ohio, wrote to me after struggling with his eyesight for years. His doctor told him cataracts were just part of aging, but Robert wasn't ready to accept that. He wanted to keep fishing with his buddies and driving his grandkids to baseball practice. After hearing about these secret cooked veggies, he tried them. Within a few months, he noticed something amazing. The glare from headlights at night wasn't blinding him anymore, and he could even read small print again without straining. His doctor was shocked at how much healthier his eyes looked. That's when Robert told me, I realized I don't have to lose my sight just because of my age. My eyes feel younger again. That's the kind of hope I want for you too. So let's get started with the first vegetable. The first secret cooked veggie is carrots, but not raw, as most people think. Cooked carrots. Here's the twist many don't know. When carrots are lightly cooked, the beta-carotene inside them becomes more bioavailable. That means your body absorbs it better, and beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A, a nutrient your retina desperately needs to function. Seniors often suffer from night blindness, where the eyes struggle in dim light. Cooking carrots with a touch of healthy oil, like olive oil, actually unlocks even more of these vision-saving compounds. And when you eat them at dinner, while your body repairs overnight, that vitamin A goes to work protecting your rods and cones, helping you see more clearly in the dark. Think about it. How many times have you stumbled in the hallway at night because your eyes couldn't adjust fast enough? Imagine if a simple side of cooked carrots with dinner could help your eyes adjust better, protect your retina, and sharpen your night vision naturally. That's the quiet miracle of cooked carrots. The second secret cooked veggie is spinach, but again, not raw in a salad, but gently or steamed. When spinach is cooked, it releases higher amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful carotenoids that act like sunglasses inside your eyes. They protect your macula, the central part of your vision that lets you read, drive, and recognize faces. Seniors who lack these nutrients are at much higher risk of macular degeneration. One of the leading causes of blindness after 60, here's the beautiful part, when you cook spinach. These nutrients become easier for your body to use, especially if you pair spinach with a small drizzle of olive oil. These compounds go straight to your macula, filtering harmful blue light and repairing oxidative damage while you sleep. It's like giving your eyes a protective shield every single night. I'll never forget Mary, a 68-year-old retired teacher from Texas, who told me she could barely read her favorite novels anymore. She felt like her world was shrinking because her eyes couldn't keep up. After adding cooked spinach to her evening meals just 2 or 3 times a week, she noticed her reading glasses didn't feel as necessary. Her ophthalmologist even said her macula looked healthier compared to her last checkup. Imagine that an eye doctor actually seeing improvement instead of decline. The third secret cooked veggie is one that surprises many people: sweet potatoes. These aren't just a holiday food, they are one of nature's richest sources of beta-carotene and anthocyanins, which fight oxidative stress in the eye. The deep orange color tells you they're packed with vision-enhancing power. When you bake or steam sweet potatoes, those antioxidants become active soldiers against free radicals that damage your eye tissues. And here's the kicker. Studies show that sweet potatoes can actually slow the progression of cataracts. For seniors worried about cloudy, blurry vision, that's huge. I remember a gentleman named Samuel, 75, who told me he used to dread driving at night because the glare from streetlights made it almost impossible. But after he started eating baked sweet potatoes 3 nights a week, he swore the glare was less blinding. His wife even said, "You don't squint behind the wheel anymore. That's the power of this humble, cooked root vegetable." And now for the 4th secret cooked veggie, and this one might shock you. It's red bell peppers. Most people only think of bell peppers raw in a salad, but cooking them lightly actually concentrates their vitamin C content in a way your body can access more efficiently. Vitamin C is crucial for preventing cataracts because it strengthens the collagen in your eye's lens, keeping it clear and flexible. Seniors often experience their lenses hardening with age, making close-up vision difficult and increasing the risk of cloudy cataracts. But eating roasted or stir-fried red bell peppers at dinner provides a natural dose of vitamin C that works overnight, reinforcing your lens health and protecting against long-term damage. I once met a woman named Helen, age 70, who had early cataract formation. She was terrified of surgery and wanted a natural way to slow it down. Her nutritionist recommended adding cooked red bell peppers into her diet 3 times a week. Within 6 months, her cataracts had not worsened, and her eye doctor even said her lens clarity looked better than expected for her age. Helen told me, "I never thought vegetables could do what medicine couldn't." Now here's the most important part. It's not just about knowing these for veggies, it's about using them correctly. For seniors, the evening meal is the best time to eat them. Why? Because while you sleep, your body enters repair mode. Your eyes, just like your skin and muscles, heal and restore themselves at night. By giving them these powerful, cooked vegetables at dinner, you're delivering nutrients exactly when your body can put them to work. So imagine this. While you're peacefully resting, your retina is soaking up vitamin A from cooked carrots. Your macula is being shielded by lutein from cooked spinach. Your lens is being fortified by vitamin C from cooked red peppers. And your entire eye structure is being defended against oxidative stress by the antioxidants in sweet potatoes. That's like having a team of natural healers repairing your vision every single night. And here's something fascinating. Studies have shown that seniors who regularly eat cooked vegetables rich in these nutrients have a 25 to 40% lower risk of developing severe eye diseases. That means these simple foods could literally save your eyesight. I know some of you may be thinking, but Mark, I've already lost so much vision. Is it too late for me? Let me speak to you from the heart. It is never too late to nourish your body. Even if you already have cataracts, macular degeneration, or glaucoma, feeding your eyes the right nutrients can slow the progression, improve what's left, and give you more quality years of clear sight. Think of it this way: every bite of these cooked veggies is like an investment in tomorrow's vision. You may not wake up tomorrow morning with perfect eyesight, but over weeks and months you'll notice. You can read longer without fatigue, you can walk at night with more confidence, and you can enjoy the faces of your loved ones with sharper clarity. So here's my challenge to you for the next 30 days. Add at least one of these for cooked veggies to your evening meal: carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes, or red bell peppers. Watch what happens. Pay attention to how your eyes feel at night, how clear things look in the morning, and how your confidence grows. Then share your experience, because your story could inspire another senior to save their eyesight too. And let me ask you this: which of these vegetables do you already eat, and which one are you most excited to try tonight? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Because here's the truth: eyesight is one of life's greatest treasures. Don't let it fade away quietly. Fight for it with nature's own medicines found in the foods you eat. And tonight, while you sleep, let these secret cooked veggies begin repairing your eyes from the inside out. Seniors, your vision matters. Protect it, nourish it, and keep it strong. If this video touched your heart, please share it with someone you love, so they too can discover the secret to keeping their eyes young, clear, and bright even after 60.